geometric garbage. Just kidding, I got my own metric bikes.
Come on, I thought you wanted to be a biker.
I'm a biker.
Made me laugh.
Tiny's not helping. Teeny. Okay, so we're in the Red Ryder garage and my brother is struggling with his bike while I watch and laugh. We're working on this 750 Yamaha what?
Yamaha Maxim.
Yamaha Maxim 750. My brother wants to take the airbox off, so we got the airbox off. And he wants to put 4 filters on, like individual filters on each carburetor and get rid of the airbox altogether because it looks way better that way. So that's what it's here for. My dad's got an idea in mind for a mount because you don't want to just have the carburetors just hanging off the rubber here. So we're going to make up some kind of a bracket mount type thing so that the carburetors are supported properly. We're just assessing the situation right now. What did you want the carburetors on for now?
Just give me the camera so I can film you putting them on.
Or no, I was gonna push that. Ah, you're doing fine. Come on, be tough. Be tough.
I'm trying.
Do you want it clamped down or just sitting in here?
Well, no, it should actually, the clamp should be done back up.
What do you need? Phillips. Does the screw have a dot on it? Some Japanese screws that look like Phillips are actually a different thing altogether, so Phillips things don't fit in them properly.
Are you telling me or the
Yeah,
camera?
I'm telling everybody. Why, do you want a beer? Peach beer? Well, you don't like flavored beers, do you?
Yeah, like normal beer?
I've got regular peach beer.
Really?
Yeah,
You only have peach beer.
I only like peach beer.
What about all that beer that got left here last time?
I drink it.
You said you didn't drink that stuff.
If it makes it any better, I can also have Pringles with it.
That might help.
Okay, let's go get some peach beer. You're so annoying. Oh yeah, somebody stripped that out pretty good. McCuney. So what we're doing here is we're gonna find a way to mount the carburetors using this bracket that's on here already. And we're probably gonna go from where the seat bolt goes on there.
The old Airbox
Probably gonna,
mount.
well, that's the airbox mount? Oh, does the seat... So what we're doing here is we're gonna make a mount for the carburetors. And we're gonna go with the bracket that's already on the carburetors here, and we're gonna make something that'll go from this bracket here and actually mount to the old airbox mount. So the airbox, he's just getting rid of. He doesn't plan on using it. So if anybody in the area is looking for an airbox for a 1986 Maxim 750, hit me up. Sup, Tiny?
Oh, that's not a good idea because this is not a Japanese motorcycle shop, so.
Lost his metric bolt in my not metric shop. Yeah, I heard it rolling.
Well, it can only go so far.
Oh, there it is.
Dusty found it. He just needs a skinny person to get it.
How do you like that beer?
Better than not beer.
What a waste of a beer then.
Get a different fuel filter, like a bigger one.
You got any suggestions?
I'd probably also try and replace this. This is like.
It's a lawnmower valve.
Because his petcock leaks, so he needs to have a secondary.
That's the kind of thing you see on Power Wheels.
Dude, that's $2. It's cheap. Yeah, it's the way to go.
We probably have a spare
It's the way to go for
petcock.
a old bike like this.
$2, eh?
$2 and it stops the engine from filling with fuel.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Can't go wrong. It's kind of hidden actually once the tank is on.
Oh, yeah.
When I was putting this in the back of the truck with Joss, the old folks home is there,
Oh yeah.
and I wanted to tie it down at the back too. And I was kind of looking around, and some old guy yelled out of the old folks home. He's like, "Just put it through the back wheel." So this is probably some old biker guy in there.
So did you put it through the back wheel?
Just ruined that whole clip. If that's
Okay, no.
I don't think putting it through the back wheel actually stops it from sliding around, though.
sure it
I just
does.
want to put these.
Yeah, it would, because the downward pressure will hold something from moving.
Oh, yeah, I guess. So now that they're on there, now what? Hook up the welder?
We got the 220 power hooked up in here so we can weld.
So guys, that is my brother's bike. and we're gonna do a little bit of work on it, but not until I have my welder set up. I need to wire in some 220 power, and then we can actually get to work in this garage. So he's got his filters ordered, and they should be in soon. And as soon as they show up, and as soon as my welder's set up, then we will get to work on this. And it's gonna be a pretty simple bracket. We're actually gonna use these. These are actually the rubber from the oil bucket on the FL shovel head. These are the old rubbers that we replaced. So we're gonna use these because the carburetors are mounted like just with the rubber on this side. So we do want them still to be able to move. We don't want them solid mounted on one side and then mounted with a rubber on the other side, because that's just going to cause problems. So we do still want to have them rubber mounted. And that is going to definitely change the look of this bike. It's going to make it just look a lot cleaner, I think. You won't have that big boxy airbox. You won't have that big airbox here clogging up everything anymore. And yeah, it's gonna actually look really good. So the tank and everything's off the bike right now, but you kind of can get a little bit of a look at it. It's not a bad little bike at all. So that'll be a good little project to kick off the fabricating in the Red Rider garage. So it's really crowded out because I've got a ton of bikes in here. My brother's bike is actually the first bike to go up on a lift, so that's pretty cool. And we actually did a little bit of work to it. Well, we didn't really do any work to it. You guys saw, we just kind of assessed the situation a little bit. And then we've got all these bikes just kind of like clogging up floor space. So my shovel head will be going up on the stand right away here because I do want to put that on the road soon. That's the bike that we are working on for my brother. My dad gave my brother that bike, so that will be going on the road actually right away too, because it's going to need its shakedown rides done. Yeah, and then I've just got a little bit more organizing to do. I've kind of been putting up shelves. I've got these shelves up here just for like lightweight stuff. And everything is kind of slowly but surely coming together. So things are coming together slowly but surely, but it is happening, and everything is just about ready for me just to get the ball rolling again. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's just a short one, but if you do like what you see, or if you just like me, or even if you don't like me, but you like my bikes, then please like this video, comment, subscribe, do all those things you guys do, and I will hopefully catch you all on the flip side. Peace. What am I doing? Wasting a bunch of videos. Let's see if that makes it a little teensy wincy bit. Okay. Oh, shit. Turn this up. Stupid.
Why?
Man, these are crusty.
Swamps should be done up. You idiot. Tiny, you're too fat and old these days. So we're taking the carburetors on. Putting them on, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, you fool.
Except that seat doesn't actually have the handle to release it. So when it did catch fire last year,
You couldn't get
Oh,
the
really?
you get the seat.
Okay, but before I completely sign off, I will. I feel like I was gonna say something and I don't remember what. Angel, don't do anything stupid. Let's go looking at our treasure findings. Treasure findings. African lover, good old biker treasure hunt. Biker treasure hunt. I need to get my gloves. Need to get my gloves.